Hello, friends. Welcome to our weekly market podcast. This week, we have Mehul Kothari with us. He's AVP Technical Research of Anand Rathi. Hi, Mehul. After a volatile week, this domestic markets underwent smart recovery. What could be the reason for that?
Greetings to everyone. Well, the volatility in the international market was there during the week went by. This was mainly due to the rising cases of COVID, specifically the Delta variant. So that's why the global markets were affected, and as a result, we saw a volatility in our markets also. But luckily, Nifty managed to close above 15,600, which was a major support, and that is why we saw the recovery in the markets. And henceforth, also, we feel that the recovery would continue from here on.
What is the view for coming weeks for Nifty?
Well, going ahead, we maintain our stance that unless and until 15,600 in Nifty is not taken out on the downside, and that too on a closing basis, daily closing basis, then the bias still remains buy on depths. And in fact, if we talk about a range, then 15,600 on the downside is a range, and upside it's 16,000. So those traders who are willing to trade with a mean reversion technique, then they could sell near resistance and buy near support. So that could be a strategy, but overall the levels are 15,600 and 16,000 on the upside. If at all 16,000 is taken out with an ease, then we expect some kind of extension of the ongoing momentum, which could take Nifty towards 16,200 to 16,400 levels. But yes, the bias, overall bias remains positive. If we talk about Bank Nifty also, there also the index has been lagging behind, but still the structure is not that bad. Unless and until 34,000 on the downside is not broken, then still there is hopes that we could surpass 36,000, which has been a resistance since quite some month, and above that there could be a possibility of 37,000 also. But that is a broader view. As of now, 36,000 to 34,000 is a broad range, or intermediate range for Bank Nifty.
Any specific sector or stocks which you are looking at?
Well, apart from the banking stock, one sector which we are liking is Nifty Energy Index. If we look at the Nifty Energy Index, then the index is hovering near to a major trendline support. So there is a possibility of bounce in energy stocks. Specifically, if we talk about individual stocks, then first of all, OMCs are looking good. BPCL, IOC, and other Hind Petro is looking good. And another reason why the energy index is turning from the support is maybe because of the heavyweight Reliance, which the results are due. So Reliance could be a showstopper if at all there is any positive surprise from on the result front. So these are the kind of stocks which one could look forward in the coming week.
Thank you so much, Mehul, for this insightful podcast. So, friends, this was it for this week. Next week, don't forget to join and tune in for the AR Weekly Market Podcast. Thank you.